Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore the QQQ ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of October, 2024, our system has categorized QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.11. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.36%. This equates to an average return of 0.12% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $501.25 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 8.67% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 2.52% to 9.83%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 27.48% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 17.72% and 37.93%. This implies a price range of $583.82 to $684.08 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF price ended at $495.96 on Tuesday after gaining 0.109%. The QQQ ETF price increased by 0.109% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, rising from $495.42 to $495.96. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 1.11%, with a day low of $491.97 and a day high of $497.45. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.36% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $12.97 billion. It is important to note that falling volume on higher prices creates divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 1.5%, or $7.56, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. In recent developments, Invesco's QQ ETF has remained in the spotlight due to its alignment with the booming artificial intelligence sector. With significant year-to-date flows approaching $10 billion into Invesco's equal weight ETF, investor interest in technology sectors is clearly on the rise. Analysts highlight that QQQ tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which has delivered an impressive average annual return of over 18% in the last decade, outpacing the S&P 500. Recent reports indicate that QQQ is approaching its July highs, bolstered by trends in AI growth and strong performances from key holdings like Nvidia, Google, and Meta. However, concerns around a high price-to-earnings ratio, which currently exceeds 40, suggest that QQQ could be trading at a bubble-like valuation. This emphasizes the need for caution, as the focus on AI might be tapering as investor sentiment shifts. In the short term, QQQ could see volatility due to these heightened valuations and the upcoming earnings season, which may trigger profit-taking or adjustments in investor positions. In the long term, if AI continues to drive productivity and economic growth, those fundamentals could support QQQ's price. However, a cautious approach may be warranted to navigate potential overvaluation and shifting market dynamics. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and so far it has fallen by approximately 0.31%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, indicating that the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $493.77 and $481.20. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. It is also worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 231 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the ETF tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. Over the past day, the ETF moved $5.47 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.11%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.9%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for QQQ is at $497.50. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $448.75. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $479.96, representing a decrease of 3.23%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal identified from a pivot top that was established 6 days ago. Is the QQQ exchange-traded fund a good investment? Several short-term indicators, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable likelihood that the QQQ ETF will perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is somewhat overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, we anticipate that QQQ will open down by 83 cents and begin trading at $495.13. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.